good? I'm your host Jason. In this video, I will be showing you how to display the number of products left on Shopify product page. For example, you can see it right here. It says low stock 10 left. All you'll need to do once on your Shopify admin page, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you want to select products. After selecting products, you're going to select the product. Then from there, you're going to scroll down. Once you have scrolled down, you want to ensure that track quantity is toggled on. And then you want to ensure that the available amount is right here. So you can tap right where you see available and you can enter the amount that is available. So let's say, for example, I were to put in 5 right there. Then I can tap on save. After you have done that, all you'll need to do now that you have added that, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to select online store. After selecting online store, I want you to tap on customize. After selecting customize, you're going to tap right where you see home page at the top right here and you're going to select products. Then you're going to select default product. So whatever change you make on this product page will also be displayed on the other product pages. Now we're going to go over to the left-hand menu option right here, and all you'll need to do is tap right where you see add block. After tapping on add block, you're going to see the option inventory status, just like what you see right here. This is it, and you're going to select inventory status. After you have selected inventory status, you can tap on it. Then you will see the option to set your low inventory threshold. So let's say, for example, I want my low inventory threshold to be 1. I could type in 1 right there. After you have done that, you can see that it has now changed from low stock to just showing 5 in stock. But if I wanted to go back and let's say my low inventory threshold was 5, you can see it right there. It now shows low stock. And you can toggle on show inventory count. Then you are going to tap on save. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. And again, if I were to delete the inventory status right there, all you'll need to do is tap on add block. Then you'll see inventory status. You tap on it. Then you can simply pull it into position wherever you want it to be displayed. And then you can set it up just like what I showed you. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.